It's here, it's here, it's here. Okay, let me go to the mailbox. Okay, I don't usually do unboxings, but today there is nothing else to do. It's gonna be a long, boring day. Week, yeah. We got at least a week of 50 or more % rain and lots of rain.
Yeah, it's got 5 inches by next Thursday.
That's amazing. It is truly depressing.
It is.
Let me make sure you can see this. Oh yeah. Okay, here's the antenna. The battery charger. This is the battery. This is, you can run it in a car. You plug this in your cigarette lighter and that end would go in here. This is an antenna connection where you can actually, oh, come on. You can put this on the radio and connect a regular antenna, you know, regular coax to it. So, and then you would just screw your coax to that. Let me pull the stuff off of it. All right, let's see if it's got, let me put the regular antenna on. Let's see how this goes in. Is there a left and a right? I would imagine this goes that way. Ah, it's got a charge.
Hold it up. Oh yeah.
So, let me see here. Menu. Okay. Noise blanker.
Sounds like Pong.
There's channel 19. Now I got to figure out how to get this off of squelch, how to adjust the squelch. Okay, it's got a high and a low where you can run this on 1 watt or 4 watts. Oh, got a flashlight. It's got scan. Color. Okay, I will dig out the instructions, and I will figure this out on my own without the instructions, and I'll get back to you. The next video you see of this will be of me having a full knowledge of how it works, not because of the instructions, and I'll do a little test on it. Hey, it's raining pretty hard. How about a radio check, channel 19? Just got a new radio. Just want to see if it's working.
It's working, driver.
Well, it's a handheld. How's it sounding?
Damn good for a handheld.
Well, man, I appreciate it. I'm about half a mile north of the interstate in Wascom. Are you out on the big road?
I'm in Wascom at the intersection of 9 and 80.
Okay, we're about a quarter mile apart. Still not bad for a handheld. Thank you for the comeback.
You're welcome.
Wow. I am happy with that. You are not going to believe this, but I'm talking to my friend, and he is at least 2 miles as the crow flies from me. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. Okay, Pat, I am I'm recording a video because I'm going to review this walkie-talkie, and we've been talking for quite a while, and you can hear me pretty good, huh? On high.
Yes, you're hitting me almost at a 3, and we're about 2.5 miles away from each other.
And that is with, I would say this is about 9 or 10-inch rubber antenna. I have not hooked up the big antenna, although I can, but I haven't done it. And I did earlier hook up the big antenna, but it appears that I'm not going to need it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn this thing down on 1 watt and tell me how good it sounds. 1 watt. Okay, I'm talking to you with 1 watt.
That's 1 watt. It's not quite as clear, but I can hear you and make it out pretty good.
I am just blown away at this, and it's got so many little extra things. It's got weather, it's got automatic noise blanker, and it's got automatic scan, and it's got a couple of buttons where you can monitor 2 channels at once. It's got a lot of goodies on it, and I have to carry the instruction booklet around in my pocket. Oh, you didn't see that, because you know, there's a lot to remember here. I mean, if you just operate as a simple walkie-talkie, it's simple, press to talk, you know, but all the little extra things it'll do is pretty complicated.
Absolutely, that's just amazing. That far on 1 watt, that little of a radio.
Yeah, and on 1 watt, the battery it's likely to last hours of talking, and it only took me about 20 minutes to charge this thing from 1 bar to full.
Yeah, most definitely unbelievable on that.
All right, man, when you get up tomorrow, get out and about, and you get your, you know, if you get your Rhino out, I may drive around a little bit, play with this thing some.
10-4, give me about 5 or 10 minutes, and I'm going to go do that now.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm going to go in the house, and I'm going to get my antenna connection, and at some point I'll connect this to the big antenna too.
Sounds good. Catch you in just a few.
All right. See ya. I'll turn this back on when he's going to get on his Rhino. He's got that little CB that I have on his Rhino, and he lives that way, about 2.5 miles from me, as the crow flies. So let me turn this off. So I'll call him, or he'll call me when he gets his radio set up in the Rhino. This is pretty fun. I cannot believe this thing is talking. I really didn't expect it to talk that far. This is a little handheld radio talking 2.5 miles. That's incredible. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, Pat, I have the big antenna plugged into the walkie-talkie. How's it coming in now? Hello.
You hitting me 4 bars out of, or excuse me, 4 bars out of 6, and I'm sitting underneath a carport, underneath power lines, 2.5 miles away.
I'm telling you, man, this new technology is just mind-boggling. I never dreamed they could put that much power in such a tiny little package. Let me plug the radio that you have, the little bitty radio. I bought another one for the porch. Let me undo this and put that radio on and see how it talks.
10-4.
I'm just blown away. I could never in a million years imagine a walkie-talkie talking this far. Now, he's on his Rhino with a 2-foot antenna, and I'm going to talk to him on this little radio here, the one I just bought, and then I'm going to see if I can talk to his Rhino, which is a UTV, a side-by-side. Almost need my glasses. Okay, Pat, I'm on the Lincoln, not the Lincoln, what is it? The Presidentville. How's it sound? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Zero difference from what it was on the other one.
That's incredible. I'm really happy with these Presidents. My God, CB technology has, since I quit talking on CB, it's really, really improved. Let me, now I put the little rubber antenna back on the walkie-talkie. I'm going to see if I can get to your Rhino with the walkie-talkie with a little rubber antenna. 1 second.
10-4.
How about it, Pat? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I've got 1 bar out of 6, but you're pegging me at 1 bar.
I am, I'm truly amazed. I'm just astonished that these little radios would communicate that far apart. This antenna is 9 or 10 inches at best. I'm really surprised.
I'm devastated. I never would have thought in a million years a little handheld would go 2.5 miles. Is that on 4 watts or is that on 1?
1 second, I gotta get my glasses on. That's on high. Okay, I'm gonna bump it down to 1 watt and see if you can hear me.
Okay.
Low in the corner. Okay, that is 1 watt. Am I coming in? Hello, 1, 2.
I hear you 1, 2.
I just can't believe it, man. 1 watt. That's just I keep using the word amazing, but really, I never dreamed these things would work this well.
Yeah, me neither. Now, it is not hitting me at any bars on 1 watt, but I can make it out.
Okay, I put it back up on high. Is that better?
That is better.
So it goes from no bars to how many bars with the walkie-talkie and the rubber antenna?
1 bar on high.
Okay, well, that's still acceptable. All right, man, that's interesting. I'll send you a link when I get into my man cave.
All right, 10-4. Whenever you cut video, give me a holler.
Okay, I'll do that. We're cutting right now.